healthy, growing program. And it's also a sign of we have some pretty nice donors here that are helping us grow the program and do something for the youth of the county here. So before we start, I want to thank Marie McCormick, who's not here, who donated us the Tenacity Flippy Double. I also want to thank the Weaver family, who donated the money for these are two Cox quads. Usually quadruple sculls do not have a coxswain, but these are going to be our instructional boats for middle school, adult learn to row, novices. These are going to be the workhorses of how we teach people how to scull. So it was my vision when I came here to make sure that middle schoolers were always sculling, and it's safest when there's a coxswain who can steer and can guide them. So I really want to thank the Weavers for contributing, making a donation for the new sculling riggers, and also 4 sets of sculling oars for the heptad, and also a treasurer, Chris Ryan. This is probably the second or third boathouse you founded in your lifetime. So he donated the money for the quad riggers and the oars for the Osprey. So yeah, boat namings are important. It gives give a boat a name, it gives it a personality, and it gives it an intention. So when we name something, we take better care of it. And if we take better care of our boats, the boats take better care of us, both in practice and when we're racing. So people name boats different things, after their loved ones, after an event, after an animal that's a totem, you know, different things. They're all equally valid. So what we're going to do is we're going to have every person by the boats give a brief history of how this boat got this name, and then I'm going to break open some bottles of champagne. We're going to hand them down. Then I'm going to read a little prayer, and then on cue we're going to pour champagne on it. And then, oh, by the way, this is all alcohol-free champagne. So we have extra glasses for everybody. You know what? I forgot my reading glasses. Oh, wait. Here it is. Does anyone have some reading glasses they can have me? Cheers. Ah, bless you. Great. Okay. So, why don't we start with the ladies?
So last year as a girls team we were really tiny. Like the whole team, we only had like a couple of girls. And so we decided to name this boat the Tenacity because decided to name this boat the Tenacity because as a small team we had a lot of determination and drive throughout the season despite our small numbers. And so tenacity was a word that described our spirit throughout the whole season. Okay, for this boat last year, as she said, we had a small girls team compared to the numbers we used to have before, where we had in the 20s. So we only had 7 people, and we were trying to figure out a name for the boat. And we looked up what a group of 7 people was called. It was heptad, so that's where this boat name came from.
Okay, so this is the Skadoosh. The story about this one is we have a buddy of ours named Nick O'Neill. You might have seen him. He's about yay high. He has this catchphrase. He has many catchphrases, and he has this Nicholas voice. It's very distinct. But one of his biggest things he would always say is Skadoosh. And he'd say it just like that, and it had this sense of power and just, man, it really stuck with us. And whenever he took a master stroke and he moved the boat, he would just shout that with all his force. And we thought it was the funniest thing. So he raced in this double with Evan at States, and they got, or not, regionals, and they got second. So we named the boat Skadoosh for him.
So we named this double the McDouble with cheese. First off, because it's a double. So, and also, as you will or have found out, in a high school rower's diet, McDonald's is very, very important to us. No Burger King's allowed. That's how you get slow.
Fat ergos.
Yeah, exactly. McDonald's is a way to get fast, so we wanted to thank them for their service to us by naming it the McDouble, and then we had to add the with cheese.
osprey is, it's a bird of grace and power, and it's a bird that takes its lunch with it all day long. It's very efficient with the environment, and I've always felt that the osprey is a great name for a rowing shell. We actually had one earlier, and I think they got traded away, so we have a new osprey on the dock now. I can't stand out here and talk to all you guys without discussing for 1 second the elephant in the room. And in this case, the elephant is the gray thing over there. And everybody should know that we're on track for about a mid-November opening. So you'll all be hearing more about this as we complete the process of building this gorgeous new boathouse for the community.
Oh, he's gonna cut it.
All hands down.
There we go.
I've practiced long and hard for this.
You need a pirate hat.
Yeah, don't touch the top. You don't want to drink out of these bottles. You want to pour them in glasses.
Yeah.
Well, champagne sabers come from the Napoleonic Wars, where Napoleon's cavalry, once they conquered a town, they'd raid the champagne cellars and didn't have time to open the bottle, so they'd take out their sabers and smash them open. Alrighty then. So, I'm going to say an invocation, and then we're all going to pour, and then we're going to save the rest for the crowd. Okay. So just hold your bottles up. Get ready? Okay. Almighty and great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage. We implore you in your graciousness to take unto your records and recollections these worthy vessels, hereafter and for all time known as Tenacity, Heptad, Osprey, McDouble with Cheese, Skadoosh, guarding them with your mighty arm and trident, and ensuring them of safe and rapid passage throughout their journeys within your realm. In appreciation of your munificence, dispensation, and honor of your greatness, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court.